Does Clannad sing in Irish Gaelic? If you have ever wondered about the musical journey of Clannad and their connection to Irish Gaelic, you are in for a treat. Clannad, a band from Gweedore in County Donegal, Ireland, has a rich history rooted in traditional Irish music and culture. They are known for their beautiful melodies and harmonies that capture the essence of their homeland. So, does Clannad sing in Irish Gaelic? The answer is yes. From the very beginning of their career in the 1970s, Clannad performed traditional Irish songs in Irish Gaelic. Some of their early hits include Dúlaman, Taidhir Abhail Riu, and Coinleach Glass and Fhamhair. These songs are not just part of their history, they continue to be beloved pieces in their repertoire. As Clannad evolved, they began to mix different musical styles, including rock, jazz, and New Age sounds. However, they never lost touch with their Gaelic roots. They have consistently included songs sung in Irish Gaelic on their albums and during live performances. This commitment to their heritage is a significant part of what makes their music so special. One of their most famous songs, Theme from Harry's Game, features haunting vocals in Irish Gaelic. This track helped introduce the language and traditional Irish sounds to audiences around the world. By blending traditional Gaelic songs with contemporary music, Clannad played a role in shaping the modern Celtic music genre while keeping the Irish language alive. For anyone traveling in Ireland, listening to Clannad is a wonderful way to experience Irish Gaelic culture through music. Their songs provide a glimpse into the language, folklore, and musical traditions of Ireland, especially from the Gaeltacht region of Donegal, where Irish is still spoken widely. Hearing Clannad perform in Irish Gaelic not only enriches the listening experience but also deepens the appreciation for Ireland's cultural heritage. Their music reflects the beauty and spirit of the Irish language, making it a vital part of contemporary Irish music. So, if you are looking to connect with Irish culture, Clannad's music is a perfect choice.